Hello everyone, this is Manya along with my partner Krishna Shah to present to you about global warming, a rising concern of today's world.
Friends, today we are going to deal with a very familiar topic, that is global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is a very serious problem. It is a gradual increase in overall temperature in Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to greenhouse effect caused by increased level of carbon dioxide gas, chlorofluorocarbon gas and other pollutants.
Now we shall see about why is global warming caused. Number 1. Burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are burnt for electricity generation and industrial purposes. The next and the most important reason for cause of global warming is deforestation and tree clearing. The rate of deforestation and tree clearing has exponentially increased nowadays. The third is the use of aerosols, which are found in disinfectants. They are threat as they contain CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons.
Let us see the topic effects of global warming. First, it has an adverse effect on agriculture. That is, due to the increase in temperature of atmosphere, it leads to drying of crops. Second, it affects the human health by causing disease such as malaria, diarrhea and many respiratory diseases. Third, change in rainfall pattern. It may cause fires and drought in some places while it causes floods in other areas.
Now we shall see some more effects of global warming. It includes hotter days, that is rise in temperature. Second, rising sea level due to quick melting of polar ice caps. Next is the threat to ecosystems.
After seeing some of the adverse effects of global warming, let us see some of the ways to reduce it. First, reducing livestock methane emissions from beef and dairy livestock by managing manure to prevent the emission of methane and nitrous oxide gas. Second, reduce the waste of water at home. That is, when not in use, the taps should be kept off. Third, drive less, walk more. For shorter distances, vehicles should not be used.
Now we shall look into few ways of reducing global warming. It includes saving energy, which can be done by changing transportation methods as well as by switching to renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources include geothermal energy, solar energy and wind energy. We can also try for safe and technical disposal of chlorofluorocarbons found in refrigerators, air conditioners and elsewhere. And now comes the most important part, planting more trees. We really need to plant trees in order to reduce global warming.
Now, let us have a peek into the topic greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Without this, the Earth's temperature would have been recorded minus 20 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius.
Now we shall look into the topic of greenhouse gases. There are various greenhouse gases which are produced due to various reasons. The main ones are carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide is very well known to all of us. The main sources are nothing but burning of fossil fuels, its use for industrial purposes, and the transportation uses. Secondly is the nitrous oxide. It is generally a liquefied gas, but a very important fact is it has a global warming potential 298 times stronger than carbon dioxide. Its sources mainly include breakdown of agricultural fertilizers such as urea.
Now, let us see percentage of emission of greenhouse gases in different countries of world. USA 27%, India 7%, Brazil 2.25%, Germany 1.98%, Canada 1.60%.
Now we shall look into the graphical representation of greenhouse gases emitted by various sectors. So we have annual greenhouse gases emission by sectors. It's observable that industrial processes make up to 16.8% of the total gases emitted. The agricultural byproducts such as the various straws, grasses, the leftover or unused crops, etc. make up to 12.5% of gas emitted. On the other hand, the fossil fuel retrieval, that is, obtaining of fossil fuels, make up to 11.3% of the total gas emitted. The power stations from where we obtain energy also use fossil fuels such as coal for energy emission. It makes up total 21.3% of gas emitted. The land used and the biomass burning. Biomass burning refers to burning of plants, animals, and other biological byproducts. It comprises of 10% of the total emitted gas.
It's a time to revise the topics that we have studied. First, global warming is a gradual increase in Earth's overall temperature caused due to increased level of greenhouse gases. Second, global warming causes burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, use of aerosols, etc. Effects: hotter days, threat to ecosystem and agriculture, affects human health, disruption of habitats, and many more. Ways to reduce it: reduce methane emissions, walk more, save energy and plant more trees, use renewable energies, and also use the law of 3 R's, that is, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the natural process that warms the Earth's surface by trapping some heat radiations and then reflecting some of the radiations back by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases includes carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and ozone.
Yes, what's the message for the day? It is to stop global warming. Let us all pledge to stop this tremendous effect and decrease its ill effects on upcoming generations. Thank you.